Tonga has the distinction of being the only Polynesian nation that has remained intact since its early days. It was never colonized or occupied by a foreign power. King Tabo VI is the current king, and his royal lineage dates back, unbroken for over 1,000 years. Tonga's culture has continued to be robustly maintained because it has also had to adapt to and weather the tides of changes. From ancient Tonga to modern Tonga, journey with Miss Tonga as we experience the evolution of change through the music and dance of her island kingdom home, Tonga!
The ancient otuhaka, traditionally performed seated by elderly women of nobility. The lyrics so dated they seem foreign, the motion simple, repeated and unchanged for generations. The ancient sound unmarred by Western influence. Otuhaka was the precursor to the ma'ulu'ulu, still performed seated, but hundreds of people moving in synchronized motions, accented by the pulsating beat of the nafa and rich harmony that can be heard throughout the village. The ta'alunga was the ancient faha'iula, traditionally performed for kings and nobles alike by selected beauties of the village. Perhaps one would be chosen by the king. We return to the ancient sound befitting simple poetry in motion. Beloved late Queen Salote, the Tongan ta'alunga and compositions of Tongan songs became more intricate. The use of metaphors and instruments made the songs more melodious, and dance motions became more descriptive in style. This particular song was composed by the most renowned of Tongan composers, the late Queen Salote. Ube o Siu Ilikutapu was written as a lullaby for the late Queen's eldest granddaughter, Princess Siu Ilikutapu, and has since been popularized by social media. Our music and dance have truly evolved with time. We hold strong to the legacy of our rich past and embrace the ingenuity and creativity of our future.